Welcome to Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen. Today we're diving into a refreshing and colorful dessert, the Fruit Tart, with a buttery puff pastry base, creamy custard filling, and a vibrant topping of fresh fruits. It's a treat for the eyes and the taste buds, perfect for summer days or special occasions. Fruit Tart. 1 sheet of puff pastry, 1 box of strawberries halved, 1 box of blueberries, 1 box of raspberries, glaze, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 250 milliliters of milk, 6 egg yolks. Preheat the oven, place the puff pastry in a tart tin, and bake for 15 minutes. In a saucepan, mix condensed milk, and egg yolks. Stir well and cook for 8 minutes until thickened. Pour the cream into the tart shell and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Arrange the fruits over the chilled cream. Brush with glaze for shine. There you have it, a stunning fruit tart bursting with flavor and color. Thank you for joining me in Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen. See you next time for more sweet and savory adventures. Faça e coma!